Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashini Agarwal, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a year in pixels. And this is a spread that I made this year, and I wanted to show you guys how I made it and how I use it every single day. So let's just get right on into the video. This is my year in pixels spread for 2021. To start, I just wrote year in pixels and made the grid. And then I wrote the first letter of each month at the top, and then going down, I wrote the numbers going to 31. Each section going down needs to have the number of boxes too. So for example, for January, there are 31, but for February, there are 28, and so on. So according to the month, you will need to make that many boxes. Then you will have to decide what you will use it for, because some people use it for other kinds of trackers. I personally wanted a mood tracker, so I'll talk about that first, and then I'll go into other trackers you can do too. So for the mood tracker, I decided on a specific number of moods and assigned colors to all of them. For example, for yellow, I chose happy, and then for blue, I chose sad. So I wrote each of them on the side and the color of each of them. And then if you want, you can add other decorations. So I just added a little bit of washi tape because that's what went with my bullet journal setup. And I did make this spread at the beginning of the year. So now you are done with your mood tracker setup. I usually fill out this spread at the very end of the day, but you can do whatever works for you. I color the corresponding box for the day with my mood. For example, on April 1st, I was happy, so I colored in the box yellow. You can also make different trackers in the same style. So for example, if you want to do a health tracker, you can correspond the colors and the key with the minutes of exercise you did. Or if you want to do a sleep tracker, you can correspond it with the colors of hours you slept, and so on. So that is just how mine turned out, and I hope it helped you guys. I also wanted to add that if you guys want to see my 2021 bullet journal setup, I will have that in the description box below, because that video has this spread along with other spreads I did in my setup. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on my post notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Just keep smiling. Bye guys!